Hi, hola, bonjour, privet salam. Customer wanted this specific model, but with a few personalized modifications, namely a missile targeting system, oil cooling system, and specific materials for different body components. Firstly, the engine was redesigned as the turbine engines use an air bypass system that cools the radiator, as well as keep the engine temperatures under control. For this purpose, the initial fan has a higher diameter than the rest of the engine. A housing for the engine was designed keeping the first fan out of the housing along with ribs on the outside that provide structural integrity while keeping the weight low. Afterwards, the radiator, oil channels, and pump compartment were strapped onto the housing for efficient packaging. The radiator is equipped with pipes and fins according to the cooling requirement, while the pipes are directed into the housing where they deliver and collect from the turbine shaft bearings. The radiator and engine are sized and packed so that they don't collide with the surrounding body. The housing is locked while the engine remains free for rotation. Secondly, the targeting system was made of a total of 3 parts, such as housing, camera, and mounts. The mounts can pivot left and right, while the camera can pivot up and down. Glass panels are designated so that the camera can look outside the enclosure. Furthermore, the location for mounting the system was chosen to be below the nose, behind the radar array. Lastly, the customer wanted the flaps, ailerons, rudder, and nose to be made of titanium, which was a relatively simple task.